Alright, y'all, what's going on? It's your boy Sensei. About to drop some of that WuSah sauce down on this pool right here for the hotel. So check this out. Y'all be prepared for a wonderful splash of WuSah in your face. Sensei, baby. Yeah, we back. Sensei RPM. About to apply that WuSah sauce. The WuSah effect is about to break it down. So as you guys know, we always pre-treat every job on the flat with my WuSah sauce combined of apple, pink bubblegum, and Dawn detergent, the lemon scent. So we got the apple blossom, as I said, pink bubblegum, and lemon Dawn. The video is edited very short because the pool is very large, as you can see. I'm on the back end of the video now. I couldn't add all of the scenes that I wanted. It's just too much storage. So yeah guys, just sit back and watch the little video I do have with the surface cleaner doing this job, and we'll be back to talk to y'all in a little bit. So now that's the gym area, entrance and exit. We're gonna WuSah the effect. So they have a beautiful exit and entry door to the gym area outside of the lovely Richmond Inn and Suite Wyndham Hotel. Everything is looking good. We'll be back shortly. So guys, as you notice, I'm back and forth with the surface cleaner maybe 2 or 3 times because
I am working with a 2.5 gallon per minute Honda Simpson, and you have to be patient, with the surface cleaner. So I apply it 4 times each row. So you can see I went back there twice. And what I'll do, I'm gonna come back again. Now I'm gonna come back towards this way right here, twice on each row. So we just being very patient and gentle with the work. We want to be able to continue to serve this client and this brand. So the WuSah sauce is always patient. That's what we brand ourselves and doing a great job. And also, I'm doing this solo. I don't have anybody with me right now. So that's what it is. You'll see the after effect of the WuSah magic. Be back in a little bit. So now we're about to put the shotgun on that has the J-Ride connection to it, so we can continue on applying this WuSah. Y'all check me out. And remember, you can use a 2.5 gallon per minute to do any job. If you want to do it, you can apply yourself to do just about any job that's 1 to 2 storage. Okay, so y'all sit back and watch the after effect of the WuSah. Got to tell y'all, you see that pool? Guess who's gonna be cleaning that pool and sanitizing that pool? That's right, you guess. Mr. WuSah himself, CC, RPM routine project maintenance is gonna be doing that job, applying that WuSah sauce to it. So we'll probably take y'all along for the ride as we do that also. But you can see how the surface is beginning to slow right. Yeah, getting ready to wrap it up in about, if it was real time, I'll be finished doing this probably.
Alright guys, I have in there, right here, so right there to finish. I'll be done with the pool, so I'll give y'all some footage after I'm all done, and then I'll talk to y'all. guys. Just finished up the pool. I was post treating again. $2.5 Honda 190. 2.5, baby. We can get it there. And on that, we can put the WuSah. We out. Sensei 9.
So as y'all can see, we post-treated it 2 times, pre-treated it 2 times, so that any streaks or anything that was left from the surface cleaner, it will come back white as snow. Because remember, once you put the surface cleaner on there, you're breaking up all of that dirt, mold, mildew, algae. Whatever on the surface is breaking up, allowing the SH and the SF to do its job. We also did all of the gates that's around the pool. As you can see, everything is looking white and clean, and trust me, it smells really good out there. But, you know,
that's how we do it. Hotel with a 2.5 gallon, baby. It could be done. Don't let nobody tell you it can't be done. Next, I'm gonna hit all these buildings. All these buildings. That could wrap me up for the whole year right there. You know how we do it, right? Yeah. It's the WuSah himself. Sensei 9. We out, baby.